Hi, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning to you, and welcome to our channel. It's your boy Authentic right here. So, in this particular video, we'll be talking about W coin, the latest updates right here, how to check if you have qualified for the airdrop, and some other things that we need to touch. Okay. Well, the truth of the matter is that a lot of us have already given up on this project long time ago, but it still remains that the fact remains that we can't just shy away from the truth. So, regardless of the situation, since the devs, or let me say the teams, proven that they are still alive and they are still dropping updates that really concerns us, we can't just afford to shy away from that. So, we just have to follow up and see how everything turns out to play at the end of the day. Okay, so first of all, we need to go and check the latest updates from the project. I think there was a post that they made. Let's just look at that and see W coin. Okay, let's just search for W coin and see if their channel will come up. Then we can go there and see what they wrote. Okay. So let's just access the community tab right here. Click on this join community. Okay, so this particular post was made yesterday, which was the first day of May 2025. They said W mining shut down, and you can see the countdown right here. As of yesterday, it was 6 days, 23 hours, 59 minutes, and 59 seconds, right? So we can read through a bit and see what's there. The Bitcoin mining shutdown, mates, the moment has come, right? The Bitcoin mining is officially coming to an end. In just 7 days, all mining related features and sections will be permanently disabled. No more the Bitcoin can be earned. This is the final countdown, okay? You tapped, you hustled, you showed up every day, and we see you made the Bitcoin what it is. All right, so all balances will be frozen after the countdown ends for final airdrop calculation. This is your last chance to use the app before it enters its next chapter. So basically what they are trying to say here is that the Bitcoin mining is going to be ending in 6 days, or let me say in 7 days time. As from yesterday, that should be around on the 80th of May. Let's just say 7th to 80th of May. The mining and everything that concerns the Bitcoin mining will come to an end. Then once it comes to an end, they are going to be freezing all our balances to be able to craft out the final airdrop allocation for everybody. Okay, so that's the latest update right here. And let's go back to the main dashboard. Okay, so we don't literally have to do much anymore. I would just say, if you know you participated in this project a long time ago, you have not been active, I would just advise us to use this particular time and go back and see what's really happening in the interface, okay? And make sure you secure your slots, or let me say your space for the upcoming airdrop, okay? So just come back and twerk around, make sure your wallet is connected right here, check everything. You can check the W Galaxy, the W Treasure, you know. Just twerk around everywhere. I'm not saying that you should go and spend money or whatever. Just twerk around, okay? So come to mates right here. Check if you have community and claim what they have for you. Come to task session right here and see some tasks that you can perform. So just do well to perform the ones you can perform, and also do well to, there's nothing, we don't really have anything right here. Make sure you claim your WAI. Make sure you claim your WAI. I've not been claiming this for a very long time, but I just claimed it yesterday, right? So yeah, you guys can see I have like a few minutes to go. Okay, so that's just that. And for you to be able to know if you qualified for the airdrop, this is where you are going to come and check this particular something that looks like gift box. You tap on it and you see hola, the Bitcoin airdrop. All right, so get ready for the most massive W event ever. All right, so make sure your wallet address is connected. So this is where you are going to be checking your details. Wallet connect successful, 50 completed tasks, 100 tasks, 10,000 taps successful, 100 WAI, 3 W skins, then 20 open W chests, 3 mates or W Galaxy. So you guys can see that I'm eligible. All right, so I'm already eligible for W coin airdrop. So I just have to stick around and keep my hands locked as we see how everything works. Okay, so I believe you guys really understand all these criteria. This one is to connect your wallet. This one is to make sure that you perform at least 50 tasks. We have performed countless tasks since we started. So, and this one is to make sure you have 10,000 taps altogether. Since we started tapping, we've tapped more than 1,000,000 times, right? So this is for the WAI, which is this particular one that I showed you guys. Let me come back a bit. Make sure you have at least minimum of 100 WAI right here. If you check my own, you will see that I have like 7k right here. Okay, so and for this one that says W skin, just make sure you have like 3 W skin. This is where to locate it. Come to boost session right here, then click this place that they wrote W skin. Okay, tap on it. Then you guys will see all these ones will require you to make payment in turn. Avoid all these ones. Okay, scroll up to the last and see the ones you can get for free. Just tap on them and get them for free. You guys can see you own this. Once you buy it, you see you own it, you own it, you own it, and stuff like that. Okay, just buy this particular ones that you can get for free. Okay, then this one that they say 20 open W chest, you have to come this particular session that they wrote W treasure. Okay, this is where you are going to be completing it, and make sure you have some amount of key. At least if you check your balance, everybody have at least nothing less than 50 key for free. So just make use of this particular one. Be opening per one till you achieve like 20 or 30. Then you can increase it per 5 for anyone and just finish up everything. Okay, that is just how to get this particular session that says 20 open W chests. And this particular last one is for you to have at least 3 referrals, right? 3 referrals, or this particular place that they say W Galaxy. So this particular W Galaxy, I've already done it long time ago. So stuff like that. This one cost me like 1 ton as of that time. Okay, so you just have to make sure you have 3 referrals. It's compulsory, right? Three any mates or W Galaxy. So you just have to make sure you have at least 3 referrals, or you do well to do the W Galaxy. Okay, so that is just all the criteria for you to be eligible for the airdrop. And if you tap on claim right here, I'm seeing something. If you check on this claim button, just tap on it. Let's see. They say funds will support the treasury and W coin launch stability, which means that before we'll be able to, let me say, allowed to claim our W coin, they are still going to request us to pay either 1 ton or 179 Telegram stars. Okay, so I'll just advise us to start saving up. If you know you have some reasonable amount of points right here, just do it to start gathering up some funds, so that once the claiming portal comes up, then you'll be able to make the payment and claim. All right, but this is not a financial advice. You just own your responsibility for everything you spend on. Know what you can afford to risk and what you cannot afford to risk. Okay, so that is just that, and that is just all I really want to share with you guys in this video. So if you really participated in W coin, do the needful immediately after watching this video and get yourself eligible. Okay, so that's all I want to share with you guys in this video. Remain your boy authentic. So thank you guys for coming around. If this is your first time coming across our channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification, so that whenever we drop an update like this, we are going to be notified. And to all our returning subscribers, thank you guys for sticking around our channel. Do well to like, share and comment on this particular video, so that it will reach a wider range of people. So till I come your way next time, stay safe, keep winning, and bye for now.